Lemonade soda and 2 straws for me and the most beautiful girl in the world.
Hey, what made the monsters we saw?
Dupes only last a few hours. When he vanishes, she'll be crushed. Oh, Dupe, it's time to switch out.
Don't think so, Squirt.
Luke, be of Nins. Blast them to pieces.
And I used Clementine's goo on my hair. It's the latest style.
George has never been to the ocean, but now, thanks to that shell, he knows what it sounds like.
Do you think George is lying?
More embarrassing than being stuck in a tree. Ape, get us over there, now!
The dodo bird. Others have evolved and mutated. Fish migrated to land and became lizards.
It's... Oh. Yeah, I sure do wish this rain would stop so I could do more chores. Shush, 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 tree!
Let's go, come on! New best friend!
I love my faces! Yeah!
Well, maybe it's time to ugly up George.
Aha! Ape has 100 pages of secrets. Ape, take Ape away.
Sure you look fantastical when Mr. Apollo gets here.
But Astrid, baby, there was no contract. It was those cheating coat check girls.
Too late for that. I wanted that